Effect of a detergent on the surface tension of a liquid. Aim: to study the effect of a detergent on the surface tension of water by observing capillary rise. Apparatus: we require a capillary tube, a beaker containing water, a traveling microscope, a cork, a rubber tube, a wooden block, a stand, a long pin, and a detergent. Procedure 1. Before we start, let us clean the capillary tube with spirit or dilute HNO3 and rinse it with water. Let us determine the height h of the water column in the capillary tube. Now, blow the capillary to remove the air bubble in the capillary. After this, press the rubber tube and dip the capillary in the water. Clamp it and then release. Due to capillary action, the water will rise in the capillary. Now adjust the tip of the pin such that it just touches water surface. Please note, since traveling microscope is compound microscope, the image will be inverted and meniscus will look like this. Now focus on the meniscus and using minute adjustment screw of vertical scale, make horizontal cross wire tangential to the meniscus. Note the reading on vertical scale. Now, raise the beaker slightly without disturbing the capillary tube and the pin. Remove the wooden block and then lower the beaker and let it rest on the table. Lower the microscope tube so that the horizontal cross wire is now tangential to the tip of the pin. Note the corresponding microscope reading. The height of the water column in the capillary tube, HW, is equal to A minus B, is equal to 5.612 minus 3.418 is equal to 2.194 centimeters. Now, dissolve a small amount of the detergent in the water in the beaker. Partially immerse the capillary tube in the detergent solution and measure the capillary rise. Tabulate your observations. HS is equal to A minus B is equal to 4.810 minus 3.734 is equal to 1.076 centimeters. Conclusion: the height of water column is more for water than that of detergent solution. From this, we conclude: 1. The capillary rise decreases with an addition of a detergent in water. 2. As the capillary rise is directly proportional to the surface tension, the addition of a detergent in water reduces the surface tension. Precautions taken while doing these activities are: 1. The capillary tube should be exactly vertical while measuring the height of the water column in the capillary tube. 2. The bore of the capillary tube should be clean. 3. To avoid the backlash error, the fine adjustment screw should be rotated in one direction only. 4. There should not be any air bubble inside the capillary tube.